You can make your buttermilk with just two ingredients. This is my evaporated milk, 120 gram, and this is white vinegar. You'll be needing just these two ingredients for your buttermilk. Buttermilk helps your cake to become moist, dense, and fluffy. All you need to do is pour in your milk into a cup or a plate. Then use your kitchen measuring spoon to measure in 2.5 tablespoons of white vinegar. So what the vinegar does to the milk is it coagulates the milk and makes it become thicker than usual. It gives it that cheesy look. It makes it look like a cheese. I don't know if you've seen where they're making cheese before. Give it a stir and keep it aside for when you need it for your cake. When you use buttercream for your cakes, it gives it a different feeling. Even when you put it into your mouth, it gives a different feeling altogether. It makes it moist, dense, and fluffy. If you have watched this video to this point and you haven't liked it, please do well and like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to be seeing more helpful videos. Also, feel free to drop a comment below. You can ask any questions you wish to ask in case you need more clarification. I am here to help. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video.